Watch till the end to see the results.
This is what I've done. I've flipped this over so that I can do the bottom section now. But unfortunately the weather is not playing the game. It's rather wet out here again. As you can see, if the foam is wet like this, and I don't really want to put any fiberglass down because it's just going to make a mess. I also want to cut and recess blocks into this so that I've got hard points to attach it to the trailer. Here what I've done is I've marked this out so that I can get my exact thing. I marked the outside of it with those black lines with a marking pen, and I will hit it with a router and take it out. It's not the easiest thing to do one-handed, but we'll try. As you can see, it's quite a messy job. And then just backwards and forwards. That's our block. Our block is going to fit in here now perfectly. A little bit of a squeeze, but that's fine. As you see, I'm just in the lines, but that's fine. Not my best camera work, but what the heck. Okay, this is what I'm doing. I'm wetting it down first, and then I'm going to add my glue when it decides to come out. And when it is there we go. The glue is set off by the moisture, so the product being wet, slightly wet, will make it come out. And to stop it from, because its glue is quite powerful, I'm going to put a weight on it, and the best weight I've got is a battery. As you can see, it's just in place there. Put the lid back on that one there, because otherwise we're going to have no more glue left. This one has been here for a few minutes. You can see how it is already activated to the moisture, and that will hold it in place nicely. Then I'll fiberglass over the top of it. Well, I've set the glue, and this is actually a little bit too tight. It's got nowhere for it to go. So what has actually happened here is that the foam has pushed the block up. I'm sure it'll still be okay. What I'm going to do with that is I'm going to actually trim it with a planer and get it flat, because otherwise I'm actually buggered. Likewise with this one here, the weight has kept it down, but its foam has pushed out. And if we go to the other two, these ones came out a little bit better because they were a little bit of space around them. Likewise with this one here, the foam actually managed to get out. Now I don't know whether to take those ones out and redo it. Hi guys, these are my results. As you see, I've planed these and sanded them down. They've actually come out very nicely. These two are the normal ones that didn't give us any hassles. And these were the ones that were raised, which I just planed off the edges and sanded them down. It's smooth like a baby's. Not bottom. That's the other one. And I think they came out bloody nicely. And also in part of my update, my resin has arrived. Hello Lucy. Got my fast hardener, and LR30. That should be enough to do the entire camper, I think, but we'll see. If we need more, we'll order more.